Hello guys, this is an advanced analysis in the Euro US dollar and DSY. So I wanted to show us something in Euro US dollar. It's an advanced analysis I want to share with you guys. So looking at Euro US dollar in daily time frame, you see where the bullish movement started from here, from this very place, started here and moved from here to this place and then did the correction. This is the correction. This is A, is this is A, this is B, and this is C. This is C. This is A. Let me label it for you. A, B, and C. So looking at it, we discover that this C did not reach 50% of this financial ratio and did not reach 61%, 61.80% financial ratio. So according to Elliott wave rule, which I trade with, wave 2 correction must come to 50% or 61% in order to make it valid wave 2. So seeing that this correction does not stop at that 80%, I think. Sorry, let me put the level where I stop so that we can know. Stop at that 80%, that 80.20%, and according to Elliott wave principle, any wave that stop at that 80% is normally wave A of a correction, or wave 4 of an, like this wave 4, and I can see it at 80%. This is wave 4 and wave A. So being that you are done A, B, C, you are done A, B, C. So what we are going to do, we'll label this place W. You understand? That's why this place is W now. Let me clean this place so it not be too complicated. It's come W. So when this wave goes up, when this X goes up, I thought it's going to start an uptrend because of this one A, B, C here. But what's changed my mind? I was lost in buying. I wanted to buy it up against. If you look to my previous video about Euro USD, see that I have some up moves that is going to move correct here and move up. But I went back to look for daily time frame to find out. And I discovered that that may be an alternative, but not the main bias. This is the main bias. So as this place is A, this is A, B, and C. That is X. This one is A, B, and C. That is A of with Y. A, B, C. That is B. Let me label it. This is A of with Y. This is B of with Y. And this is going to be C of wave Y. That is what I see. That is what I am expecting. The market have the final say though. But according to Elliott wave principle, which I trade, it must come to correct at least 50% of this up move, and they have not come there. So thinking that Euro USD may fly up and start going up to 140, 140, it may not be possible. It may reverse from this junction and drop, and it became confused. Now, because those are trading swing trading, it may become confused. So guys, what are we expecting? By me looking at it in 4-hour time frame, look at it in 4-hour time frame, you discover this movement is not an impulse movement. Look at it now. This movement here is not a typical impulse movement. You can see it. It's not a typical impulse movement. And that movement discourages me to thinking that this trade will continue to go up, because this is not a typical impulse movement. What is it trade? What you can see here is this. This is this is A, this is B, and this is C. This is what is it. So it's not an impulse. Typical. This one is not an impulse. This one is correction. This one is correction, and this one is an impulse. So this should be my own thinking. This is going to be C, and this is going to be B, and this is B, and this is A. So if that is the case, what you will see at the end of the day is that the trade will come up. This trade will come up here and then reverse and break through this place and go down. So this is what it might likely see. So market decided that this is my impulse. I don't care about you, Frank. So it go up. But according to what I know about Elliott wave and my experience in the market, this is gonna reverse from here. So what will I do now? I'll be waiting and watching and looking at this very junction, this very place, and know and look and find out what market will do there. What market do there determines what I will do. If I see an excess signal, I'll sell it, and I'll sell it as an swing trade, and they're going to last for months. Or we still gets to that Y, gets to this Y. See it? You understand, guys? Let's go to DSY. Looking at DSY, you will see the similar something with uh with Euro US dollar. You can see the similar something with Euro US dollar with DSY. So Euro US dollar and DSY are almost the same thing. They are how will I say, they are inversely proportional to each other. They're almost the same thing to each other. So looking at the CSY, I can see almost the same. This is W, this is X, and this is Y. They have to correct this line. They have not corrected this wave, this impulse. This impulse that comes from here to here. They have to be corrected. When you look at it, you can see the first correction. Starting from here, A. This is B. And this is C. That is our level W. And this is X. You can see X, which is in between. And this is Y that is coming. This is going to be a Y. So you have done A. The Y have done the Y have done A. This is C, and this is gonna be C. So I'm presenting for a C. So that's what it is in the dollar in this. So looking at it in the 4 hour time frame, let's look at it in the 1 hour time frame. You see something. Look at this thing. This is not an. When you look at this place now, this place is not an. It's not an impulse. Look at it. It's not an regular impulse, which we know in the Latin wave. This is not an impulse. This is not an impulse. So this cannot be wave one. This is wave two, and this is wave three. No, 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 no. It can't be. This is not an impulse. Looking at it, it looks like exactly like a correction. Look at it. This is A. This is B. And this is C. This is correction. This is another correction. A. It's another correction. It's another correction here. This is A. This is B. And this is C. So what that tells you, this is wave 5 wave 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to do a 5. So looking at it, you discover that DSY is equally going to buy to upside. Correction may come deeply, more than expected. It may come deeply to here to touch this trend line before it moves up. Or it may not come, it may end. I suspected that it's going to end this very place and go up. Or it's going to come deeply here before it moves up. Anyone. but don't think that it's going to break here, or it might break. Market how the finance say it might break here and start to come down, which everybody is thinking that it will happen. Break here and start coming down. Everybody is anticipating it to happen, but I'm here to tell you this advanced analysis, it may not be so. So keep your eyes open. Looking at these charts, keep your eyes open. So once, even if you are selling the wave five, once you are be looking at what is happening, because this fifth wave, you may see something like this. It's going to do like this. It's going to come here, do like this, do like this, do like this, do like this, do like this. Then once you're doing like that, you know there's a there's a emergency. You have to keep your eyes open. So that's all, guys. Remember to share this video. Like, ask any question. If you want to ask me a question, you can write in the comment below, or you can use our link. Use the link in the description below. Join our Telegram channel and ask the question you wanted to ask. We will answer. I will answer you and give you what the answer you want to ask. Thank you, guys. Remember to share. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching our video.